Are you worried about skin problems like tanning, pigmentation, acne spots, pimples, dark spots, wrinkles, and blemishes? I get a solution for you all. This Ftune face care range is so amazing to deal with all these problems. In this Ftune range, you will get vitamin C face wash for all skin types and vitamin E moisturizer plus sunscreen for all skin types with SPF 50 PA++. And you will get this night cream for all skin problems and this beautiful and clear aloe vera gel. This vitamin C face wash is enriched with vitamin C, niacinamide, licorice extract and hibiscus extract. With the goodness of this all, it is so amazing for all skin problems. It gives you clear and smooth skin. I love the formula. It is so gentle on skin. It doesn't dry out my skin and leaves my skin so soft and smooth. It removes all type of dirt, impurities from your face without stripping. Natural face oil. This is must have for all skin types, which is so amazing and gentle on skin. You can use this on daily basis without hesitation. I love it. This 2-in-1 sunscreen and moisturizer protect you from harmful UVA UVB rays of sun. It has vitamin E to protect skin against sunburn and skin cancer. Niacinamide improve skin barrier. This afternoon whitening cream is enriched with sandalwood, turmeric, glutathione, and niacinamide. These natural ingredients make skin white, whitens, removes dark spots, acne, dark circles. Its texture is so amazing. It can used by men and women. It this is a natural and free from harmful chemicals. This is natural aloe vera gel. Do check out this amazing brand. You can order through WhatsApp on this number.